ولو كانوا يؤمنون بالله والنبي وما أنزل إليه ما اتخذوهم أولياء ولكن كثيرا منهم فاسقون.
For had they truly believed in Allah and the Messenger and what was sent down to him, they would not have taken the unbelievers instead of believers for their allies. But many of them have altogether rebelled against Allah.
لتجدن أشد الناس عداوة للذين آمنوا اليهود والذين أشركوا ولتجدن أقربهم مودة للذين آمنوا الذين قالوا إنا نصارى ذلك بأن منهم قسيسين ورهبانا وأنهم لا يستكبرون.
Of all people, you will find the Jews and those who associate others with Allah in His divinity to be the most hostile to those who believe. And you will surely find that of all people, they who say, "We are Christians," are closest to feeling affection for those who believe. This because there are worshipful priests and monks among them, and because they are not arrogant.
وَإِذَا سَمِعُوا مَا أُنزِلَ إِلَى الرَّسُولِ تَرَى أَعْيُنَهُمْ تَفِيضُ مِنَ الدَّمْعِ مِمَّا عَرَفُوا مِنَ الْحَقِّ يَقُولُونَ رَبَّنَا آمَنَّا فَاكْتُبْنَا مَعَ الشَّاهِدِينَ.
And when they hear what has been revealed to the messenger, you see that their eyes overflow with tears because of the truth that they recognize, and they say, "Our Lord, we do believe. Write us down, therefore, with those who bear witness to the truth."
وَمَا لَنَا لَا نُؤْمِنُ بِاللَّهِ وَمَا جَاءَنَا مِنَ الْحَقِّ وَنَطْمَعُ أَن يُدْخِلَنَا رَبُّنَا مَعَ الْقَوْمِ الصَّالِحِينَ.
And why should we not believe in Allah and the truth which has come down to us, when we do fervently desire that our Lord should include us among the righteous?
فَأَثَابَهُمُ اللَّهُ بِمَا قَالُوا جَنَّاتٍ تَجْرِي مِن تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارُ خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا وَذَلِكَ جَزَاءُ الْمُحْسِنِينَ.
So Allah rewarded them for these words with the gardens beneath which rivers flow, so that they would abide there forever. Such is the reward of the people who do good.